देंपो स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाक 3-3 गोलांनी आडावन साळगांवकर फुटबॉल क्लब AWES कपाचे सेमी फायनलीत पावले. असोसिएशन फॉर दी वेल बीइंग ऑफ एल्डर स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनान स्पोर्ट्स ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ गोवाक बरोबर आयोजित केल्ले हे सर्तीचे सेमी फायनलीत पावंक साळगांवकर क्लबाक फकत ड्रॉ जाय आशिल्ली. मॅच वास्को टिळक मैदानार जाली.
It is a tough match. First half we played excellent, but in the middle we lost the ball control and we could not cope up with the team. So second half they have played the much better football where we have kept the ball and we have pushed in attacking more of any attacking instead of defending. So in that we played one of the best football on this.
How you are looking forward for the next matches?
Yeah, I'm looking the same game where my boys will perform and they will give the best in the semi-final.
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.